Meaning of expostulate.
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 Expostulate. The word expostulate means to express disagreement, argument, or protest. It implies a strong objection to a particular action or behavior and often involves an attempt to persuade someone to change their actions. When someone expostulates, they are essentially attempting to reason with another person in order to achieve a desired outcome or to prevent something from happening. The result of expostulating can vary depending on the situation and the individuals involved, but it often involves a discussion or negotiation aimed at resolving the issue at hand.